Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Bulgaria. Incorporation in Bulgaria. Bulgaria has a strategic location allowing investors to access the entire EU and the markets of Central and Eastern Europe. Bulgaria has a predictable and stable economy and government. It boasts the lowest corporation tax in the EU at only 10% and is even 0% in areas of high unemployment. Advantages of incorporating in Bulgaria. Can be incorporated within 2 weeks. Minimum paid up share capital is €1. Lowest labor cost in Europe. Availability of skilled workers. Member of EU, thus giving access to 500 MN market. Tax holidays up to 5 years available. Disadvantages of incorporating in Bulgaria. Small domestic market, second most corrupt country of EU, tough to obtain construction permits, below per infrastructure and energy sector, high crime rate, inadequate maintenance of water reservoirs. Types of companies suitable for incorporation in Bulgaria. Bulgaria is a great place for the formation of a manufacturing company. Bulgaria is a good place to establish trade with Russia. It is also a great place for marketing as it is a member of EU. Features of LLC. Bulgaria boasts the lowest corporate tax rate in Europe at just 10%. Founders of a limited company in Bulgaria can be local, foreign individuals or legal entities. Very low capitalization requirement, BGN to approximately €1 formed by the shares of its shareholders. Requirements for establishing an LLC. Minimum authorized capital of 5,000 BGN. 1 BGN to be paid up before registration. Visit to Bulgaria may be required. VAT is obligatory for companies exceeding 75,000 BGN. Registered office in Bulgaria. Procedure for registration. Step 1. Name of the company. You must pick a name of the company which will identify your venture on the market as well as before government institutions. Certain name parameters must be taken into account. The name itself could be chosen and occupied prior to the entire registration process. The letter is not compulsory but could represent a useful move in some cases. Escrow bank account registration. You will be required to register a special escrow bank account, some Bulgarian bank for the purpose of entities, equity and legal registration. The initial bank account registration is a mandatory step according to the Bulgarian rules and regulations. Step 3. Business address registration. The address registration is next mandatory step in the process of your company's setup. Your company will need to have a Bulgarian address. Step 4. Registration in the government official register. According to Bulgarian laws, every new business venture must be registered in the publicly available official commercial register. Step 5. Stamp registration. Each newly registered business venture needs an official stamp that can be used for endorsement of its formal activities. Despite being an additional after registration step, the stamp registration has basically an obligatory function for the business setup in Bulgaria. Conclusion. Therefore, it can be easily concluded that registering a company in Bulgaria can be of great advantage to the investors and incorporators. However, one must be well aware of the hindrances in the establishment of the company. Thank you.